Hi, my name is Alan Mao, and I'll be presenting my informative speech topic, Arduinos. Have you ever wanted to build something electronic, maybe a small robot, a sensor that reacts to light, or even a device that solves real-world problems, but didn't know where to start yet? That's exactly the problem the Arduino was created to solve. Today, I'm going to explain what the Arduino is, how it works, and why it matters. My thesis is that the Arduino is a beginner-friendly, open-source microcontroller platform that allows anyone to learn electronics and programming to build real creative projects. So to begin, the Arduino is a small microcontroller board the size of my hands paired with open source software. It can read inputs like light and temperature or motion and respond with outputs like LEDs, motors, or sounds. It was originally created in Italy to help art and design students with no electronics background build interactive projects easily that focuses on accessibility, which is still the core of the Arduino today. One of its biggest advantages is its low cost, along with a huge global community that constantly develops tutorials, libraries, and even new hardware add-ons. A 2023 STEM education review by Akis found that Arduino's open source tools and user-friendly design are major reasons it became popular in schools, makerspaces, and engineering programs. An Arduino board, like the popular Arduino Uno, contains a microcontroller chip and rows of input and output pins, which is given by these pins right here. Inputs can be sensors that detect things like sound, pressure, or brightness. Outputs can be things like alarms, motors, lights, or displays. To program it, use the Arduino IDE, a simple piece of software where you write and upload code called a sketch. Once you upload it, the board runs your code immediately. The process is very straightforward. First, you connect the sensor, you write a little code, then upload the sketch, then watch it work. This hands-on learning is incredibly effective. In fact, a 2022 study led by Sari and colleagues found that students who use Arduino in STEM classes improved significantly in teamwork, confidence, and problem-solving skills, mainly because they learned through direct experimentation. There are also millions of tutorials available, so beginners can follow up step-by-step examples even if they've never coded before. Arduino is used widely in education, helping students develop programming and engineering skills by building something physical instead of only reading about it. It's also extremely popular for prototyping real-world tools. People make things like low-cost air quality monitors, automated greenhouse systems, and house automation devices. These projects help test ideas quickly and cheaply before moving on to more advanced technology. A study by Widikea and co-authors in 2022 showed that using Arduino-based tools significantly increased electrical engineering students' practical skills. This shows that Arduino isn't just for beginners, it's effective even in higher level technical programs. Finally, Arduino open source nature empowers anyone, not just engineers, to innovate. As the Arduino motto goes, if you can imagine it, you can prototype it. So today we covered what the Arduino is, which is a simple open source microcontroller for beginners, how it works, sensors, coding, and uploading through the Arduino IDE, and why it matters, from education to real-world prototypes and innovation. To restate my thesis, Arduino allows anyone, regardless of background, to start learning electronics and programming and to create real functioning projects. Thank you.